Mia, what do you think of the camper van? Comfy? So, camper van is officially finished. Mia's very happy with it, although she prefers going in the front so she can see everybody. So these cushions, my friend made these loose covers. Got the fabric on eBay for £60. And this is what the cushions looked like before. So really old fashioned. So they look sort of must have come out of some old caravan or something. And then, whoops, I've kept the speakers as well. I know they're a bit large, but hey ho. The ceiling was already done. I've done the cladding on the walls, painted it with chalk paint, and then put some varnish over it. So a friend came and he helped me with all the electrics. So you can see we've got sockets there. I've got the phone socket as well, USB charger, and I'll show you how you make this into bed. Right, you open this, you open these, they look like umbrellas, and then you fold out the bed, you fold this piece of wood, it's got hinges, you fold it over onto this, and you make the sofa into a double bed. This camper van is 6 feet wide and 8 feet long. So it's a short wheelbase camper van. It's one of the smallest ones. It's really easy to drive and to park. It's got power steering, doesn't have reversing cameras. So far it's been quite easy. I've managed to park it and reverse it onto the driveway. And we're just going to see if it's going to be big enough just for me and the dogs for when we go on holiday. This is my hidden toilet. So you can sit on there. So if you have extra seating, you could fit about 6 people in here to sit down and 2 people to sleep. So in here is the toilet, and you have to just pull it out to use it. So this is just a piece of card that sort of keeps it hidden there. Here I've put some hooks up, and I've also got my camping chair in there. I've got a folding table. This is a really important piece of kit. This is so I don't fill up the toilet. That's my wee bottle. These other shelves I've got books on. So this is an IKEA wall unit, so it's not as wide as a base unit. And I got this on Marketplace. Piece of wood on the top is just plywood with vinyl. So if you look into this cupboard, yeah, I've got a foot pump down there. You put your foot on it. Let's see if this works. Right, I've got fresh water in that container, and I've got a petrol container for my waste. So there, and you've got water, right? I've got cleaning wipes things there. This is my cleaning bucket, cleaning stuff and washing up liquid. This is my toilet bucket, so just toilet things. In this cupboard around here, I've got all cooking utensils and plates and drinks and things. And then I've got a little shelf there. I haven't put anything on that. Up here I have my fire blankets, and I have my carbon monoxide and gas detector thing. So for cooking, I've got 2 little single hob things, and I'm going to put them here or outside on my little table. So this is all my food supplies up here. This is going to be for clothing, so shoes, clothes, toiletries, and then I also have storage space under my seats and under the seats in the cab as well. So I've fitted everything in to 8 foot by 6 foot. I think that's everything. I've got electricity. I've got 4 sockets, and I've got the USB sockets as well. I've got battery charger. I haven't got solar panels, but I might get solar panels. I'm going to see how I get on, because so far the battery's been working fine. I've got a little fridge as well, small fridge that's built in there. So I haven't actually run the leisure battery with the fridge on it yet. But that's it, that's my camper van complete. So I'll show you some other clips that I've made, which I made a few weeks ago, which were the last things I was doing when I finished off the camper van, and you can see everything I've done. So I spent a few months just doing it very slowly because there's lockdown in the UK, we can't go anywhere. It's a really fun little project. Some things were tricky, like electricity, that's complicated. Mia, where are you going? Yeah? Where are you going? But I think anyone could have a go at doing it. So we'll see how far we get when we're heading off to Spain. Today's little project, I'm making a name for the van. So the van's called Bertie, and I've cut this name out of vinyl. I had a sheet of blue vinyl, here we are, and I've just cut it with a knife, wrote on it with a black pen, cut it with a knife. So I'm going to see if it sticks on the door. And there it is on the side of the van, looking quite smart. Right, you can see what the van's name is. Hi, so today, doing some jobs in the camper van. I've stuck some string on here on the side of the wood, trying to tidy up the edge of the cladding. So that glue should dry clear. I'm going to be like this little neat edge to it. And over here, I'm just trying to fill in the little gaps where you can still see the carpet. So this bit of cladding was quite easy, but doing these end bits is altogether more complicated and fiddly. So today's project, I'm putting cladding at the back of those cupboards, and I've put the little dado rail in the front. So not doing cupboard doors. That's just the way it's going to be, and I've got little baskets which go in there. So I'm just going to open cupboards. Just busy doing this one at the moment, done that one. And then it's quite difficult getting in there. I've got to drill the cladding into each other. Probably get a hammer in there. So then I'm going to paint it, and then I'm going to put my stuff in there in baskets. Tidy up in here. So it's got this mess everywhere, look. So today, Trevor's here, building the coffee table, storage, frameworky thing, and there's Poppy watching it. I've removed that middle headrest so I can jump from the front to the back. So today I'm putting this rose gold vinyl onto these little doors that come out to make the bed. It's just making it a little bit smarter. And then I'm going to do the door handles for the cupboards. And then it's nearly finished. Just a little bit of tidying up to do. Hi, so today we're going for a day out. Well, a very small day out because it's lockdown. Only driving 3 miles. But here's Poppy sitting in the front seat, desperate to get out. There's Mia sitting calmly. And there's Lola's in the back. And we're just going for a bit of a more interesting dog walk. So I'm going to try and make coffee afterwards in the van. So that's the plan for today.
Silence is everywhere, and you're not